Hi beauties! Today I'm wishing that I had done more of an intro for this video because now I'm doing this voiceover and I sound like this. But anyways, let's jump into it. Eyebrows are done and I'm gonna get started on my transition colors. So I'm taking this color Orb from the Morphe 3502 palette, just as my first transition color, and I'm buffing that into my crease in a very diffuse way. I wanted to do a halo, I guess they're called halo cut creases, but anyways, and I'm thinking I want to use some blue. So that's why I was trying to figure out which colors would, go with the blue. So I was thinking I was going to use those ones. So I'm looking for a cool tone brown in as much as I can. So I got the color, I think that was Halo from the 3502, which is as cool as I could find in that palette. That palette is quite warm. And I'm placing it down with the brush, like trying to stick it to my concealer. And then I'm blending it out to give a more diffused look. And here I'm going in with Dahlia. I was using the brush and then I forgot that I have to use my finger with this color like I did the last video. So this is Dahlia from the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini palette. And I'm putting that on the outer V and the inner V, or like the outer and inner corner. And I'm trying to get as much color payoff as I can, but there was really no point in that because I was about to blend it. But I'm using this kind of pencil brush to blend the edge of the color. It's kind of hard to tell, but I'm really just going on the edge of that color. And then I'm dragging them towards each other to create that halo. I'm also lightly blending into the brown. So here I'm getting ready to cut the crease and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal on this flat angle brush. And you see me marking my lid and then looking up. That's just so I know how high up to cut. And you can do this halo like straight down the middle, but I'm going more for this kind of funnel shape. I've seemed to really like that, and that's what I'm trying to achieve here. We'll see in a little bit. It didn't quite work the way I wanted, but I was able to fix it. So that's the LA Girl Pro Conceal I'm using there. I think that's the color Toffee. The color doesn't really matter because clearly we're gonna cover it. I'm just perfecting my shape. And you see it crosses my crease right there. So that's just how I make sure it's seen when my eyes are open. So I'm taking my ring finger, my dirty ring finger, it's already blue, to blend. But then I decided to blend the concealer first and then go back in and do the edges with my finger here. And it was blending a lot better. Without blending the concealer first, then the middle color I lay down will be kind of patchy. That's the color right there. I'm laying down Zola. In all honesty, guys, I'm still posting this video, but this blue, this center color was not different enough from the outer colors. But you live and you learn. This was my first ever cut crease, so my colors were too close, so I wasn't getting the definition I wanted. So here I was blending the colors into each other just on the edges, and then I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm blending the halo effect. I'm blending it out into the transition color, and you can see that transition color coming out from underneath there without adding any product. To try to get a little dimension that I was missing, I went in with black on, honestly I think that's a lipstick brush, but I put down some black just because my blue wasn't dark enough, so the two blues were too close in color once everything was blended. So I'm trying to put some black into the far corners of both blue, dark blue shades. And that's just the black from the Morphe 3502. And it's called Wiz. Don't know if it matters. It's the only black. So I'm blending that into the Dahlia color with that lipstick brush. And I'm liking that better. So I was just showing you the difference between one eye and the other. And now I'm going back with Dahlia, trying to intensify that color as much as I can. And I just wasn't feeling it, but I felt like there was nothing really I could do, except then I tried to put Giza right, kind of like right in the center of where my pupil would be if I was looking straight ahead, just so I could get that true like lit color, you know, like a reflection almost, kind of like how the moon would hit on the water just in one line. I don't know, I'm trying to explain too much, but that's why I was doing that, because I wanted that Zola color to be more popping. I'm putting my what you call it, is that my eyelid primer, eyeshadow primer under my eye. I do have wrinkles under there, so, and I want to take shadows down, so I'm priming that so I don't get any creasing. And then I'm lining with a kohl pencil my waterline and my lower lash line. And I am taking, on a pencil brush, I'm taking, actually that's the same lipstick brush. I'm taking the blue Dahlia and smudging out that black kohl pencil with it. And then I'm going beneath it. Wait a second. I think I took Chi the first time to smudge out the black kohl pencil. Then I'm taking Dahlia beneath it. So I'm just showing you guys that I did a mildly exaggerated wing liner using this Mary Kay eyeliner pencil, which I really like. And I just did that, put on mascara and finished my face. I wasn't feeling no lashes this time, so I just went for this a little bit of a longer wing, you know. So the rest of my face is done now. I got makeup in my hair and my edges that I'm trying to get out. But anyways, this is more or less the finished look. So I'm just gonna finish up with contour and blush. And so for my blush, I just wanted you guys to see the difference that an orange blush can make on dark skin. It's so pretty. I'm actually gonna use this orange color right here called Ablaze from my Morphe 3502 palette, which is the brightest color in the palette, brightest orange. And you see how that just warms up my face and looks so bronze and delicious. Yeah, I was loving it. So then for the lips, I went with this ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the color Anyways. And I was really enjoying this. It's a nude on me, but I guess it's really a true chocolate brown. Probably for someone with lighter skin, but I still like how it looked all together. I was really excited. And I'm gonna change my clothes just to show you guys. And sorry for the angle. I thought I was recording and I took everything down and it didn't record, so I had to put it back up. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. You can see the halo. I was just showing you that it looks a little bit more elegant when you put your hair up. But I'm loving the halo look. I'm gonna try again with 2 more distinct colors, like a silver or something. But yeah, that's it. So like this video if you like this video, subscribe if you're feeling my vibe. You can do that by clicking my face, and check out another one of the videos while you're here. I'll just leave it on the side for you. And that's it. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.